I'm Kimberly O'Connor, studying Level 3 Health and Social Care at East Sussex College, Hastings. I wanted to study at the college because I live quite near anyway, and after visiting other colleges, the tutors are a lot more helpful here and they're really good at explaining things, and if you've got a problem they're quick to sort it. Yeah, some of the things I've learnt at college are about personal protective equipment in hospitals and procedures followed in any work environment, food safety, anatomy and physiology. I think it's all really useful for what I want to progress to. So I find my lessons pretty motivating. I think it will help me become a theatre nurse because it looks good applying for university because you've studied the right things, you've got knowledge of what you want to do. They don't have to teach you as much in a way because you've already learnt the basics, and I also just really enjoy it in general. I think the tutors are really nice and everyone. I've made good friends. So I'm doing my work placement for college in the operating theatres at Conquest, and it's a new programme with Public Health England where students, I think there was 10 spaces across 3 hospitals, and we all had to go to interviews and see if we'd be accepted, and I've been getting scrubbed up and passing the surgeon's equipment, and it's kind of inspired me to become a theatre nurse instead of a children's nurse. I love it.